What's up, my guys? So welcome to FOREX, the only channel professor make into the financial market. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and after some notification. So each time I post a video, YouTube can easily get you notified, and YouTube also will direct others who are new into this video. Please, if you are seeing us for the first time, welcome to FOREX Academy, the only channel professor are make into the financial market. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that like button. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys quickly on how to trade gold SAUSD with the perfect strategy. The strategy that makes me tons of money trading gold. So you are busy or you're not doing anything, please grab your popcorn and your chili juice and watch this video to the end because it's going to be a blast. So stay tuned and don't forget to watch it.
Thank God I can breathe, I can be what they can buy. Even when I'm weak, I'm sure it's gonna be.
So let me quickly take you all to the chart. So I want to add another symbol so you can use it because that's my main chart. So let's go. The chart is being open and is fresh. So first thing I do every Monday morning when I wake up, this on XAUUSD. This is on 4-hour time frame. Don't forget the time, 4 hours time frame. So the first thing I do every morning if I woke up is I will pray, open my chart, then I will first of all I will toggle on my section break. As you can see, this is the section break. Toggle it on, then I will okay. So I will tap on the screen. Okay, so we are going to look on Monday. Okay, as you can see, on Monday it's on the 20th May. Yeah, as you can see, this was the first candle that print. This was the first candle that prints that day. So as this is first candle, so what do? I toggle on my horizontal ray. I took it down to the first candle. As you can see, it's here. I toggle this up again. This was the second candle that closed. So what does it mean? Every week, if like let's say for instance now, like after some minutes or after some hours, if it breaks above this high of the week, this is the low of the week, this is the high of the week. If it breaks above this high of the week, what am I going to do is going to be a buy for that week. But if it closes below this low of the back to back hour of the day, so this is the simple strategy. You can look at my previous chart. This is the simple strategy. So please don't forget to join, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget we are passing a lot of profit this period. Join us and subscribe, please. So my guys, as I was saying, so when it breaks above this high of the week, that means it's going to be a buy for that. When it reaches below this low of the week, that means it's going to be more of sell for that week. So this was on Monday on the 20th 2024. So I have to look for it. Then you can see it breaks below the low of the week. It breaks below the low of the week. That means we are going to be expecting more of sale. Then after that, I will come back to this place. I will off this my section break. I will okay it. So to those who are asking me this section break, how do you go in? You're going to this your setting toolbar that is showing on your trading view. Yeah, you open it, then you look for this event under it, either on your smartphone, your iPhone, or your address. You must look for this chart setting. Then you toggle it on, then you close, then you off it. Let's say for instance, I have off it right now. Yeah, let me off it first. So I have off it now. So what are we expecting? Let me go to the 1 hour time. We are going to be expecting more of sale for the week. Yeah, what's up my guys, I was saying, so as you can see, as when it breaks below all of the week, this is one confluence though. This is not, I'm not a financial advisor, I am just a forex trader, and everything under this content is for educational purposes, not financial advisor. So when it breaks below this low of the week, so I'll be expecting that gold will be selling more of that week. Then at times I had my trade line. So if you want to know how to draw trade line, that video will be coming out soon. So if you want to know how to draw trade line